Hello, my name is Jessica, aka Animated Jess, and in today's video I will show you how to start an auction in OpenSea. But before we get started, remember to like this video if you find this content helpful, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make more videos. Okay, so to make an auction in OpenSea, you will have to have a collection already. So what you're looking at now is my collection called Zero Origins, which you can find in the links below as well. And as far as making a collection, I have a video linked below, and it will be linked within this video up top. So first thing you want to do is click at the top right and click on add item, and then you choose which NFT you want to create, which image or asset that you want to use for your NFT, whether it's an image or video. In this case I chose a video, so I will have to choose a preview image as well. So I did that, and this is the third drop from the Zero Origins collection, which is actually live in case you're interested in looking at it. And I am going to give it a title here. And you can also add an external link if you would like, but that is optional and you don't have to include it. Add a description describing your NFT in the description box, and it says to provide a detailed description of your item. You can put anything that you want, and you can use markdown syntax as well. You can add properties, and this is anything. For me, I need something called an image type as a property, and you can add as many as you'd like. You can add levels and stats, but all these things are optional. Make sure that the collection is correct, and if you would like to change the blockchain, you can do that, and freeze the metadata, you can do that as well after creating your NFT. So here we have to wait a little bit for the NFT to be created. It takes a little bit of time. And as soon as it's done, you can sell it right away. And if you watched my previous video, the process is very similar to just selling regularly for a fixed price, but there is a small difference. So the first thing that you're going to do is make sure that everything is good, and if it's not, then edit, and then click on top right on sell to start selling your NFT. If everything looks good, then click on highest bid, and this is how you do an auction. So you put the minimum bid price, so this is the starting bid, and someone can actually put that exact amount as their bid. And then you put a reserve price, and reserve price is basically the if someone hits that price, then the auction will be sold to them immediately. You do not have to accept it. But if the ending highest bid is lower than the reserve price, which does have to be bigger than 1 ETH, or at least 1 ETH, then you have to manually accept the auction. So something that you do have to be mindful of. And you can put the time for as long as you want for the auction. Yeah, that's something that you do really want to be mindful of, which is good, because if you're not happy with the way that an auction turns out, you do not have to accept the offers. So in the offers box is where you'll be able to see the offers that are given on the auction, and you can change the listing price. You can only lower it. If you want to increase it, then you will have to cancel the listing first, which will cost some gas. So make sure that when you do create an auction that you are happy with the starting price. Otherwise, you will have to cancel the listing to change the starting price. And something that you do need to be mindful of too is that when you do accept an auction, you will receive it in wrapped ETH. And in order to convert it to Ethereum, you will have to use a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, which will cost gas as well. So that is one drawback to doing an auction, is that you're the one that ends up paying the gas fees when the auction is successful. And something else to be mindful of as well is that when you do accept a bid, it will tell you that a royalty fee will be taken from that amount. But if you're the creator, then that amount will go back to you. But that is something that you want to be mindful of, and that amount is not going to go back to you in wrapped ETH, it will be in Ethereum. Hope you found this video helpful. That is all that you need to know about auctions. If you still have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and let me know what you're putting up for auction. I would love to see what you're working on, and subscribe to see more videos like this, and check out Zero Origins, my NFT collection on OpenSea. All the links are below, and I also have a Discord now, which you can find in the links as well. And that's all for now. Bye, till next time.